30. Want to do 30? 20? 20? We're going to do 20. A lot of advocates for 20. Late models will probably do about 35. There we go. All right. Countdown from 5. Pace speed is 30. You guys will go at the green tire, no earlier. Hopefully no later, otherwise that will suck. Coming off of 4, we are green once again for the street stocks at Hurricane. Zane is around. I am recording, so if there was a jump, I will see it later. Which I don't think there was, but we'll find out. 3 or 4 people. Yeah, I mean, again, we'll find out later. Get a car around to keep it green. As Mr. Fastman pulls it into the infield, just stay in the infield. Just stay in the infield. Yeah, don't go across. You know, 10 down, 10 to go. So we're both pretty dominant lead here right now. So far, so good. Only one's pulled in. So we got one car around that keeps it green. When Maddox goes around, we stay green still. Tractor tires getting used up here tonight as football pulls it in. They scratch for the rest of the night. Just stay in the infield. Don't pull across. Football, don't get stuck in there, please. Just go. So out of 4, going to see the white flag. Once you cross, do not cross again. I don't care if you're 20 laps down. 3 and out of 4 at the line. Turbo will get it by a bumper. Do not cross anymore. Do not cross. Turbo by a bumper will go stacked fields, I think, of the season, honestly. Yeah, this is huge. All right. I got to fight with the leaderboard here for a minute. Oh, there we go. Wait a minute. There you go. Countdown from 5, pace speed is 30. You guys would go at the green tire. No earlier. Hopefully no later. Off of 4, we are green. I guess we have Ricky as a honorary flagman helper here tonight. So I'm gonna kind of go quiet. We stay green. And a car go around. One goes around again and keeps it green. Thank you. One goes around again, keeps it going. We stay green here. Thank you for keeping that going, by the way. Lap still slowly winding down here. Haven't had anything too major so far. We got one around. Keeps it green. Main is coming to an end here. Slowly but surely. Yeah, nothing too major so far. So we are two to go. So now this time by the white flag waves. Off four, drag race to the line. Turbo will win it. Do not cross once you've already crossed. Turbo goes back to back here tonight at Hurricane.